welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you are a lover of natural hair, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela. So in today's video, I'm finally going to be sharing with you guys my results from MyAvana Hair Kit analysis. If you guys watched my video back in November, I sent in my samples from all corners of my hair, the front portion, the back portion, the crown, everything. And I have the app, and I finally got my results back. I actually had my results back in December. I just took a while to make this video, you guys, but I want to come on here and finally share the results with you, and also tell you guys that I've been wrong this entire time. So for the longest, I've been making hair videos basically saying that I had low porosity hair, and you know, whenever I would go on naturallycurly.com or read any of the hair blogs, I did do the water test, where you take a glass of water, you shampoo your hair, you take strands from your comb, and you put it in the glass of water, and you see whether it, you know, floats at the top, floats in the middle, or sinks all the way to the bottom. And basically every time I did it, it was showing me results of low porosity hair. So of course I assumed that I had low porosity hair, and I've done this test maybe a good 3 or 4 times throughout my hair journey. If you guys have been following me for a while, I started my hair tutorials back in, like, I want to say 2015. So just from me going from the transitioning phase to all my series of mini big chops that I did, dyeing my hair, straightening my hair, all that, every time I did it, it pretty much was showing low porosity. Now I will say in the beginning it was showing high porosity, but like after the fact of me cutting and transitioning, it definitely was giving me low porosity based on that hair water test. So MyAvana said, no girl, that is wrong. So I have the app here. I'm going to go ahead and screen record just so you guys can see it. You definitely should get the app. It's a, I want to say, don't quote me on this, definitely double check, a $1.99 subscription a month, just so you can have access to your hair analysis, tips, product recommendations, and also you can get a hair consultation. I also have my own hair consultation. So hey girl, her name is Stacy. Stacy gave me everything as far as the breakdown and of my hair, also the products to use and things to add into my regimen. So if you guys remember from my last video, when I sent in my samples, it came in this box like so. And the cool thing about it is I love how they allow you to get samples from, you know, every range of your head. Now I've always known that I've had different textures throughout my entire head. I've always felt like the back portion was a little bit more coarser than the crown area. The crown area is the curl pattern that is the loosest and also grows out the fastest and tends to weigh my hair down. So if you guys have been following me for a while and you've been keeping up with my videos, make sure you guys watch the videos before this, because I just cut my hair into some DIY layers using the ponytail method like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I don't know if you can tell, ponytail is a little shorter, but my hair is still wet right now, so it will be a lot fuller once it dries. But basically, let's get on this app, and I'm going to show you guys the microscopic pictures up close of the top left and top right of my hair. Now based on my hair ID, it is basically saying that I have 3B, 4A, and 3B hair texture all throughout my head. So I thought that was pretty interesting. I love that they go in and get the breakdown of your hair texture, curl pattern, all that, and based on the region of your head, so top, bottom, and crown. So right here we're going to be looking at the top left of my head, if it will load. Why won't it load? My Wi-Fi always acts so crazy when I'm back in Tallahassee. Okay, boom, here we go. So I'm like exposing myself right now, but basically, like, you can just see this microscopic picture of that region of my hair, and that was from me taking the shedded hair from that portion. Now mind you, when you send in your samples, you are going to be sending in samples of pretty much bare hair, like shampooed, make sure, you know, product buildup is all off or whatever. And that's the top left. Let's look at the top right. I mean, look at those little bad strands, y'all. Like, I'm embarrassed. Now with me, you know, I was always doing the protein treatments, and this showing the gaps that I just showed you in those pictures. When you do the protein treatment, it'll pretty much fill in those gaps, okay? Because that is an artificial like treatment for your hair bonds, you know. So I know throughout time you're gonna have to trim your hair and cut that damaged part off. Now for me, the top portion was always the most damaged anyway. That's where I would always run my flat irons through. And I will say this, back in 2020, since we were in quarantine, I was doing a lot to my hair. Not gonna lie, I was definitely straightening it way more than I normally do, because when I straighten my hair, I usually straighten it 3 or 4 times a year, and it's usually for special occasions, right? So I just didn't do that this past year. It tells you your porosity, it tells you the health, and it says mine was challenged, so you know. That's what really kind of prompted me to go ahead and cut my hair this past 2 weeks. I wanted to do this anyway because I wanted more shape. I was feeling like my hair was just kind of growing out to like this one length, and I just love that whenever I do my braid outs and twist outs, it always has that round shape when I have layers in my head, and it just looks so cute, which I will be showing you guys pictures because it turned out amazing. But if you scroll down, it'll also tell you products recommended for your hair type. So I actually went out and bought all of these products. So I am going to be doing an updated twist out routine on my new haircut, and I will be showing you guys these exact same products. And African Pride was the recommended. And when you do your little hair ID questionnaire, they're going to be asking you questions, you know, do you really prefer gravitating towards products that are more affordable or that are more effective, you know, things like that, so they can kind of know what type of products to recommend to you. And then ingredients that you should be looking for in your product. So for me, with my hair, it says I need to be looking for silk amino acids, panthenol, hydrolyzed wheat protein. So those 3 things are some things I should look for in products when I'm going shopping. And then also it tells you regimens for your hair. So for me, dry hair, hair breakage, and heat damage. If you go to the details, it'll tell you literally step by step what you should do. I love this hair app. MyAvana really does that when it comes to hair expertise, and having the ability to really sit down with a counselor via Zoom. So since we're in a pandemic, you know, I have my little consultation via Zoom, and it really just helps you have a better understanding of what to do and how to go about your hair. So for me, you know, I just took it upon myself to go ahead and cut my hair and just gradually grow it out and take care of it from that stage. Now, you definitely don't have to do a big chop. You definitely can transition. But I love the science of natural hair, and I love digging deep into understanding your hair type from Black female scientists. Okay, so again, this is actually Black owned brand, you guys. And I know some people were commenting in the video they had a, you know, iffy feeling about sending in their hair samples for DNA, and trust me, I totally understand. You can trust MyAvana Hair, you know, definitely go on your own judgment, but I definitely want to extend the suggestion out to you guys to definitely try this, because I've been wrong this whole time. And I will say that after cutting my hair, doing a hard reset, doing the Aztec clay mask, which you guys should watch before this because I love that hair mask, definitely saw an immediate difference. And then also using the products that were suggested, I saw an immediate difference. Like, my braid outs and twist outs never looked that good. Well, I mean, they have, but they haven't been looking that good in a good minute. So I really do feel like me taking this step to really just go dig deep into the science of my hair has really helped me. And I'm excited to kind of just restart this journey all over again. And you know, I really never delete any of my videos on my channel, so you guys can actually see the catalog and history of my hair. And I will say that from this point on, I will be documenting everything. So I just wanted to make a quick update and share with you guys my results and basically how I've been wrong this entire time. And sometimes you do need to dig deep and not just go by some of the hair blogs treatment suggestions or test suggestions, because they may not always be accurate. And for me, this MyAvana hair analysis kind of showed me that I was just having extreme product buildup. I'm pretty heavy-handed with my products, so I could see how that really took a toll on my hair. And now it makes a lot of sense, especially since I've done that Aztec clay mask, did a hard reset, and redid my hair, and like now it just feels and looks different, and it's crazy. So it's amazing how much a slight difference can make in your hair. So make sure you guys check out MyAvana. This is what the MyAvana hair kit looks like. Again, I will leave the link in the description box down below. This is a company ran by Black women, okay? This is Black owned, and it will tell you the deep science of your natural hair. Again, this is why I love natural hair. It is just so unique. I feel like we defy gravity, and your 3C might not be the same as my 3C, or in this case 3B, 4A, you know. It's just so unique to me. So you guys should definitely check it out. Again, I will leave the link in the description box down below, and check out the app as well. This is for Apple and Android. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.